So regarding the role of customs in implementing the TFA, it's very important, of course, because customs has a role in almost all of the technical measures that are included in the agreement. So in some of these measures we have a leading role and we are sole responsible agency. However, there are many of these provisions where we work closely with other border agencies. And we see the TFA as a huge opportunity. Why? Because the TFA is mandatory on all the members of the WTO, and it also envisages establishment of a National Committee on Trade Facilitation, which brings together all the agencies together, but also the private sector. So working together is a huge opportunity for us. And of course the political momentum that was brought with the TFA has brought a lot of benefits to all the agencies. When it comes to the role of customs in terms of support, the role of the WCO in terms of supporting implementation of the TFA, we have launched a Mercator program in 2014, which helps our members. So we address the customs administrations, but also provide support to other stakeholders at national level or regional level. So we have the Mercator program where we can provide, for example, a long-term assistance to a member. So we work with a special Mercator program advisor who provides assistance on a continuous basis to the administration and helps the administration identify the gaps, identify recommendations for the future, carry out strategic planning, etc. On the other hand, we can also support one-off customs administration in very specific technical areas. So there are many options. We have this tailor-made track under the Mercator program where we actually talk to the administration and discuss what is the best way forward in terms of support and assistance.